This AIRCARE 1043 Super Wick filter is for our AIRCARE EP9800 digital whole house pedestal humidifier. Today I'm going to unbox this filter and then show you how to replace your old one. First off, let's open the box. This filter is definitely made with high quality paper. There are flow-through holes for air to pass through. And typically we change our filter once every 3 months. And right now we're likely a couple of weeks behind, so let's go ahead and show you how to change it. We start by opening the encasement for our humidifier. And right away you can see how well used the old filter is. We'll lift up and remove the entire filter, including the frame, from the humidifier and place the whole thing into our laundry room tub so we can detach the old filter from the frame. The frame will also need to be detached into 2 separate pieces. Once the used filter is removed, give the frame a quick rinse before installing the new filter. The easiest way to install the new filter is to lay the frame flat on your table surface, or in our case we have it on top of our washing machine. Then place the filter into position and attach the second piece of the frame, ensuring that the tabs line up and click together. And then once it's all attached together, it's ready to be reinserted into the base of the humidifier. We replenish the water up to the line marked on the filter frame, and then we put the humidifier cover back on and power on the humidifier. The CF or change filter indicator should no longer display.